we needed a market for a newspaper if we were going to collect it. So I took my 4-month-old son, Carrie, and my neighbor, Sue, to Belkin Paperboard in New Westminster. And we went and talked to the important person there and, and asked if we bring bundled papers to Belkin, would you buy them from us? And so I had my first market. So we had a place to sell our paper to. So then we went gung-ho collecting it. And we had even a small depot in Hammond right next door to us in a little shed. And we had a sign at the end of the road saying recycling here. And so that was our very first one in Maple Ridge.